Hey guys, so just a little update. We decided to take a break from the real life and come over to the coast. And no, it's not Hawaii. It's actually the Oregon coast, southern Oregon coast, Gold Beach to be exact. Really rocky here, but I'm just seeing if, how the microphone's working. For those that have been to the beach before, you guys know how actually noisy it is. Just a constant roar and rumble. So we're going to see if the audio is any good. Update wise on the channel, on the giveaway, this coming up week, today is Saturday, so this coming up week before the weekend, I'm going to actually pick the winner of the phone holder. So if you haven't left a comment, jump on that video, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, do everything you can. Like I said, I'm going to give that away on this coming up week before Friday. I'll do a video, post the winner. Got a really nice, beautiful day for what it is out here. It's probably close to 60 degrees, a little breezy. The water, of course, is cold, but that's the Oregon coast. So there we are. So if you guys can, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Jump on that one video, the giveaway video, leave a comment so I can pick you as a winner. And as always, thanks for watching and God bless.